Hi, welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education. And Yourpedia Education is I believe only channel which is holistically preparing you for various interviews. And since Coal India Limited interviews are going on for technical, non-technical domains, so I invite all of you to prepare thoroughly with us. Our mentors are going to guide you for preparation of HR questions, technical questions related to your gap justification, related to your project, related to your training, internship training reports. So there is always a technical way to prepare for this. And your PDA के ऊपर you will get the learning content also. You will find the solution to your answers to your problems also. And as I told you in my previous video, you can see interview is actually not a talent, it is not knowledge, it is a skill which comes only with the practice. So you need to go for more and more interviews. You need to go for more mock interviews. Unless until you go for more mock interviews, things will not flow. And I've told you earlier also, like, very simple question, please introduce yourself. You are not in position even to answer that effectively. So please prepare that with your PDA. You can basically ensure that yes, your preparation will be very good. So that is what I wanted to tell you. So all the best to all of the students who are going for Coal India Limited and any other into module, whether it is related to public sector, private sector, or placement. So there is a way into, and your PDA is the expert in that particular direction. So I welcome you all again. Come and join us. Yes, and yeah, there is a Google form also attached. If you want to fill that form, and number is also given, contact number is also given. You can basically provide your details on that number, and Nikita ma'am is going to call you and arrange the mock interview for you. Thank you.